boy in. Get that boy in.
Oh yeah.
Big fish.
Oh yeah. Big fish. Big fish.
I got me a flatty.
Yeah, it's a flatty.
My buddy's fishing down here too. He's got something on right now.
A monster.
A monster. I mean, they're pretty good size. Someone grab that net.
Let's see what he's got, yo.
Oh, it's a big fish.
Hold on. He gonna pull some drag. He's pulling drag.
Fuck.
Get a live one, take that level.
It's a monster, bro. It's like a 30.
Coming up. Oh,
That's a monster. Big fish.
Straight up, baby. Straight up. There you go.
Monster. That's a mondo.
If I got a hernia, it was worth it.
That's a fucking huge one.
Okay, all right, good on that, man.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Slice my finger open.
What we gonna see, yo?
Yeah, fucking catfish. Slice my finger open. Be careful, dude. That
Show it down his throat. Show that hook. Oh, not his eyeball.
Oh gosh.
Sorry, dude. $28.48.
Oh man, almost 30.
I suppose.
Guys, I just got my PB, 28 pounds, couple ounces, freaking stud. We're gonna get him back safe. Take a couple pictures with him. That mouth on this fish, guys. Big boy. Freaking stud.